In today's video, I'm going to teach you how Monarch Money works for couples by giving you a complete walkthrough. First things first, you'll want to head over to Monarch's website. This is your starting point, and all you need to do is open your favorite web browser and go to monarchmoney.com. Once there, make sure you're logged into your account or create one if you haven't already. Now that you're logged in and ready to go, the next step is to navigate to the settings. Look for the settings gear icon on your dashboard, which might just be in the top right corner, and give it a click. As you enter the settings, you'll see a list of options, and here, click on categories. This section is going to help us organize our finances more efficiently, particularly for you and your partner. Once you're in the categories section, you'll see an option to create a group. Click on that. Creating a group allows you to customize and categorize spending, making budgeting a tailored experience for both partners. When prompted, enter either your name or your partner's name. For instance, let's start by adding your name. This helps in seamlessly distinguishing individual finances within the shared setup. After naming the group, remember to choose the option by group in the budget. This ensures that your transactions are neatly categorized under the correct heading, allowing for more precise tracking. Now go ahead and click on Save. Saving these changes ensures that all your adjustments are stored and set up according to your preferences. Having saved the first group, it's time to repeat a similar process. Click on Create Group again, just like you did earlier. This time, enter your partner's name. Follow the same steps, choosing By Group in the budget option and clicking Save. This organization ensures both you and your partner can identify and manage your expenses separately within the shared platform. Furthermore, Monarch allows you to drag these newly created categories into your group. This feature is handy for organizing any pre-existing categories or expenses that you have. Simply click and drag them into either the groups you have created. For a seamless experience, repeat this for any shared expenses or other relevant categories you both handle. As you get more accustomed to using Monarch Money, remember that you can apply the same structure to your expenses. Structuring your financial data in this way not only keeps everything tidy, but gives you a clearer picture of your overall budgeting scenario. Feel free to explore additional features and see what works best for you. That wraps up our walkthrough on how Monarch Money works for couples. Take these steps at your own pace, and before you know it, you'll have a well-organized financial management system that works for both you and your partner. Thanks for joining us today, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Happy budgeting!